Nowadays, it's not just your gaming PC that benefits from a splash of RGB lighting, but rather your entire room. After all, RGB doesn't necessarily mean rainbow colors, but rather the freedom to pick and choose your room's theme on a whim. You can tie everything together, so that way it ends up matching your keyboard and mouse, surround your monitor with warm lights, so as to show your face better on a webcam, and be able to kick back with lights that react to your movies or music. Welcome to another video from Top Tier Tech, where today we're going to be sharing with you the ultimate list of the best LED lights for your gaming setup, so that way you can plaster your walls, furniture, and lamps with a little bit of more personal flair. But before we get into all that, please make sure that you drop a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and also ding that notification bell. The Lemon Best Wall Scone Light. The Lemon Best Scone lights are perfect for brightening up a home theater or gaming room wall. The scone lights were traditionally seen as more or less looking like torches and candles. However, this accessory takes us into the modern age by projecting a flurry of RGB colors. This type of light looks best in a dark setting, so you may want to fit a couple of your walls as a nightlight alternative to your primary light. They get into providing just enough ambient light to reveal sightlines for walls, which is why they're best suited for this kind of environment. The product itself is unique, and there's not many similar alternatives on the market. Unfortunately though, to be able to draw power, it's got to be wired into the mains and is only dimmable if you install it using a dimmer switch. On the plus side though, there is the option to position it facing up or down depending upon your preference. The Gobi Immersion TV LED backlight. You're no longer going to need a Philips Hue enabled TV to get a backlight that dances to your games, TV shows, and movies. Comprising of a full HD camera, all you need to do is point at the screen and LED strips you attach to the back. The Gobi Immersion will light up any display like a Christmas tree by mimicking what's on the TV. Gobi's Immersion TV Blacklight uses ColorSense technology and a 1080p HD camera so as to capture the colors on your screen and apply them to your backlights, creating a truly immersive gaming experience. In addition to customizing each light segment, you can also sync your lights up to your music and be able to pick from several different modes like game mode. The Corsair Smart Lighting Tower Starter Kit. The Corsair iQ LT100 Smart Tower Kit helps to extend your PC's RGB lighting for a truly immersive experience. This product is very similar to the Hue Smart Light in that it can match and synchronize with an area of your screen so as to eliminate your settings in the same RGB colors. This revisable design of the tower allows you to do this in two ways. Depending upon the orientation of the light strips, you can either go for a soft ambient light that reflects off the walls or quote-unquote feature lighting that projects away from your gaming monitor. Besides being able to customize your games and media to the lights, the LT100 is able to sync with all of your Corsair devices in the iQ Smart Lighting ecosystem. Furthermore, it features 14 out-of-the-box lighting profiles and can also act as a headset holder. Seriously, what more could you want? The Gobi Glide wall light. Neon bars are simple and sleek sitting above your display, but they're not exactly a one-size-fits-all. Refining the concept, Gobi's Glide wall light comes with 6 modular bars and a curved corner piece, so that way you can make the light as long or as short that you like in an L or I shape. As usual, there's over 16 million colors to choose from, and you can even customize each LED independently using Gobi's RGBIC technology. The smartphone app offers the most comprehensive controls, as it allows you to create your own patterns and fine-tune it to your liking. Once you've set everything up, you can then use Amazon Alexa and Google Home voice commands so as to switch between your scenes hands-free. The Philips Hue Play Kit. The Philips Hue Play Kit is an exciting way to make your battle station come to life. Essentially, they're a pair of light bars that can intelligently sync with the colors projected from your TV or monitor to create an immersive backlight experience. Once connected to the Hue app, up to 16 million colors can be controlled at the touch of a button. Additional standout features include being able to sync the lights to music and movies, create ambience with warm and cold daylight, plus voice controls with your home assistant. Installation is super easy, and there's many different ways that you can position them behind your display. About 10 inches tall, the slender and lightweight design does make them easy to mount behind televisions, cabinets, or standing up on your desk. The Scum Wi-Fi Smart LED Light Kit. Scum is a smaller table lamp alternative that you can suspend freely while in midair. It's kind of a similar way to the Nanoleaf, where these little hexagons are used by an intelligent linking system so as to synchronize the lighting and can display an impressive 16 million colors. You've also got the option to splice them together on the walls if you wish, or really any flat surface using the mounting tape that's provided. The command strips are easy to install and remove to change the design or location, making them effortless to expand upon. The downloadable app works as a controller on your phone and comes with a lot of great features. This includes being able to alter the temperature and brightness, set memory functions, as well as automatic on and off switches. As a result, you're going to love to set these smart lights on your gaming wall. The LIFX Light Strip. The LIFX Light Strip is easily one of the best choices for the best Philips Hue alternative. It's really a great light to pick up and add to the back of your television, underneath your cupboards in the kitchen, or really anywhere that you need some accent lighting. It's really great to use as a gaming setup since it can bounce light off of the walls and make it a bit more enjoyable to play in the dark. And because there is different zones on the LIFX Z, you can use different colors and even have it match the different colors and so forth. This 6.6-foot light strip has 16 individual zones, so instead of a single accent color, you can in fact paint your walls with multiple colors at once, creating all kinds of fun looks. The LIFX light strip does work with Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, and Google Assistant. Plus, it cranks out up to 1,400 lumens of brightness. The Nanoleaf. Nanoleaf has proven to be extremely popular with gamers over the years. Now, if you're not super familiar with them, they're essentially triangular colored shaped LED wall panels that work by sensing audio and transforming it into color and light in real time. The app is very clever, and it even lets you to program the panel colors individually, or you can create different lighting scenes for groups of connected panels. If you feel like waking up to an energizing light, you can even program the colors to change during various time zones of the day. Besides the triangular light panels, Nanoleaf also comes with squares called canvas. These work in a similar way, however, they're also touch responsive. Both products are extremely light and easy to assemble. They stick to the wall with mounting tape and connect using small removable clips, which will be able to attach to sides of each panel. Power is then drawn through the socket via a cable, so that way you can experience a setup poppin' vibe with a new set of Nanoleafs. The Philips Hue Bluetooth Smart Light Up Strip. Philips Hue products leads the way in smart lighting, and Philips hasn't been shy in the LED light strip market. In fact, the Philips Hue Bluetooth Smart Light Up Strip Plus shows just how far Philips is willing to go in making every bit of your lighting stand out. The light strip spans just over 6.5 feet to start, but you can even add 40-inch extension strips to stretch that up to a total of 33 feet. Not to mention the strip has up to 1,600 lumens of output, letting you get plenty of brightness, though you can also dim it down if you need be. Not only do you get full RGB color, but turnable white lighting as well. You can wake up with bright white light, enjoy some colors throughout the day, and settle in the evening with a nice warm white. Since this light strip is controlled over Bluetooth, you also don't have to factor in the cost of a Philips Hue hub like you would with many other products, though you can add one to your setup later on if you want some more home integration on the strip. So, what do you guys think about the LED lights on this strip? Do you guys prefer LED strips, bars, or bulbs? We do hope that you find this information useful, and let us know what you think down in the comments below. Before you leave though, please make sure that you've liked this video, subscribe to our channel, and also ding that notification bell so you don't miss any more content updates from us. Until next time folks, we'll see you guys later.